Osio, Ayoldaza. Alright, so I told you all that I was going to show y'all how to make food. So today, what I'm making is raw burgers. Okay, so the raw burgers, I'm going to, not raw hamburgers, but raw nut burgers. Alright, so I have walnuts, and I soaked the walnuts down for 2 days. Okay, and today is the second day, 2 full days, you know, so we're talking 48 hours rather. Okay, and so I have those. I have 3 cloves of garlic. I have red onion. I have red pepper. I have cilantro. Okay, and I have dried tomato. Okay, I also have red wine vinegar, pink Himalayan sea salt, Bragg's coconut aminos. Okay, Bragg's coconut aminos, coconut liquid aminos. Okay, Trader Joe's smoked ghost chilies. All right, I'm gonna break this up into part 2 because it's easier. Break it up into parts because it's easier to upload to YouTube. So I'm gonna stop here and continue on.